Hello guys, welcome to Adult Anish. I am Anish Shankar. Today we are going to start the new session A to Z AI. So in this session we will see all about AI, and today we are going to see the introduction of AI. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to cover these topics: human intelligence, artificial intelligence, need for AI, application of AI, and future of AI. So before starting the session, I have a question for you. So I will show you two images. So here you can see the two images. Here you want to find the difference between these two, the basic differences. And in the middle of the session I will ask this question to you. So if you know the answer, please comment in the comment section. So let's start the session. First, before seeing the artificial intelligence, we want to see about human intelligence, because we are the one who is giving the artificial intelligence to the machine. So before knowing the artificial intelligence, we want to know about human intelligence. We want to see the basics of human intelligence. So I have another question: what makes a human intelligent? This is a basic question, but there is many answers from some other have many answers. So here are some of the basic things make human intelligence: the ability to observe or recognize and understand. And whenever we see an object or someone, we recognize them by our memory power, and the ability to make smart things. Like, we are in a technical world, and here we innovated many things from that. These all are made by our smartness and the ability to learn and increase knowledge. So in this topic we are learning daily new things. Like, in our whole life we are this is a learning process, so we are learning many things. So this is these three are the making the humans more intelligent. And to make humans intelligent, we are doing gathering informations from our surroundings and storing information and retrieving information. We are using that information to make something new and analyze information. So whenever we got an information, we analyze the right or wrong. Like that, we are analyzing the information, and design making and taking action. So these are the steps we are making when we are getting knowledge. So any agent who can perform the above is called an intelligent agent. So one who making these things are called intelligent agent. And now let's jump into the artificial intelligence. So before now, do you know what is artificial intelligence? So now, before this we saw the intelligence of humans. So that's the basic for artificial intelligence. The intelligence in human is called human intelligence. So in machine, whenever giving the intelligence to the machine is called artificial intelligence. So it is the ability to imitate humans to the machine. So like, we are giving our intelligence, how we are talking, how we are thinking, and how we are seeing an object and understand. We are giving these senses to the machine is called artificial intelligence. An artificial intelligence agent is a computer that can find all these senses in that. So artificial intelligence teaching the machine the intelligence to learn and think is called artificial intelligence. So now let's come to the question I asked in the beginning of the session. So here are another two images. So just find the difference between these images and think of it. So I will tell you the answer. So this is the basic of AI. We will give the difference between these images to a computer and make it to learn the difference between these two objects. So here are a apple and a banana, and there is a difference between both these in the shape or in the color. The banana is in yellow color and apple is in red color. So by giving more images like this, so we can give a image of this apple, one image of apple, and make it to land. In childhood we will see many things like, we study A for apple, B for ball, like that. Here these two images are having some specifications like color, shape, and in future we can also add the taste of the fruits too in the machine. So we will give hundreds of images of apple, so the machine will recognize this, like the shape, then this is an apple. So by seeing the hundreds of images of banana, it will recognize, if you show a real banana to it, it will recognize that it is a banana. Like this, giving senses like seeing and speaking is called teaching a machine is called artificial intelligence. So what is the need for AI? So before this era, we are using many machines in industrial revolution. We make many machines to make the life simpler. Like we are using mobiles for simplifying our learning and taking videos, and all these things are in the mobile. So like that, this AI is a new revolution of technology. So this AI makes a change in world, like for example, in a mall, in this COVID-19 situation, a person is there sitting in there and finding people who are not wearing mask and insist them to wear the mask and then enter into the market. So for this, a human can't stand for 24 hours in a market for this, and also we want to give him salary for that, and there is many breakout is there between that. So we invented this AI. So if you teach a computer with a camera to recognize a person with mask and without mask, it will recognize and insist them to wear mask. Here is a video about that. So if you see this video, you can understand it much better. So I give the link of the video in the description. So in this period you can see that video. And then now these are the lists for what are the uses of AI. So these are the features of AI. And now I have an activity for you. And if a device in your home become artificial and socially interact with you, what machine it may be? You can think about the smart AI refrigerator and smart TV. We are having smart TVs, but we don't have AI based TVs. So if you have AI based television, what will you do with that? So please comment in the comment section. And here are some applications of AI. Like in gaming streams, we are using AI because whenever we are playing, there is some situations like AI is used there, and a machine can think like a player opposite to you. Now the gaming bots are came into the gaming stream, and then natural language processing. In this topic, we are having something new here. So for past 200 years, we are programming the computer in the machine language like Python, Java, and we are too tough to learning that languages. That's important to learn, but it is more complex than our public languages. So now AI is helping in that. So if you give a sentence like chat GPT, in that you give a sentence like, I want a program for this topic, I want a program for login page, like that. If you give, it will convert your wordings into a program, in the machine learning language. So we can convert, the AI can convert your language into a machine language. So this is a wonderful thing in AI. And now we are moving into block code and something new like that. So we are not studying the Python or Java programming now, and we are studying the code like block codes for now. So we will see these things in the future of our session. And Here are some thing like speech recognition, handwriting recognition, intelligent robots, social robot, and chatbots are some of the AI based robots, AI based programmings. Think about what if a classroom is full of AI and the teacher is teaching based on AI, like a robot is teaching to you and interact with students. So what will be the if the room is full of AI? Smart, no? So nowadays government is going to implement this process in our classroom to make more interactive between the students, so they may more interested in learning AI. So what we are learned today, what we learned, so these are the topics we learned today: the ability to observe, recognize and understand, ability to make smart decisions, and ability to learn and increase knowledge in AI. So in the next session, we will implement all these AI recognitions in real life, like in technical machine, teachable machine. We will implement these topics. So I think this video may be useful for you. If you learn more about AI in this video, like, share, and subscribe our channel, and watch more videos. Thank you for seeing this video. Thank you.